This video will review how to set up and use the Rad G Oximeter device. The Rad G is an oximeter device that is used to monitor your child's oxygen saturations and pulse rate as directed by your care team. Please check to ensure you have the following equipment: Rad G Oximeter device, an AC power plug, a cable, an oximeter probe, either disposable or reusable. To set up your device, plug the AC power supply into a wall outlet and the DC output into the bottom of the Rad G device. Insert the cable and secure in place with the latch. When fully charged, the internal battery will provide up to 24 hours. Press and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds until the device powers on. You will hear one audible tone sound when the device turns on. The emitter should always be placed on the nail or top of the foot, and the detector on the fleshy pad of the finger or bottom of the foot. If you are using the oximeter device 24/7, please change the location of the probe daily to avoid irritation or burn from the emitter. Connect the sensor to the cable and apply the sensor to your child's fingernail, toenail, or around the foot. The value on the left side of the screen displays the current oxygen saturation, and the right side value displays the current pulse rate. Alarm limits for each parameter are displayed to the right of the measured value. It may take a few seconds for the saturation or heart rate, the SpO2 or HR, values to be displayed. Check the waveform to ensure there is a smooth, consistent pattern. The alarm bell illuminates on the top left side of the screen, and an alarm message appears at the top of the screen. The parameter box will also illuminate red to highlight which parameter is the cause of the alarm. Red is high priority, yellow is medium priority. When an alarm occurs, always first assess your child and act accordingly. If it is a sensor issue or poor signal issue, once you have completed assessing your child and they are doing well, move on to troubleshooting the device.